for today I wanted to show you a very basic breakdance movement and even floorwork movement called the backrock. And the backrock is very cool in itself, but it can also be used as a setup for a lot of other variations of movements in floorwork. So first up, we want to learn how to pivot into the position. Here, in this case, you want to come up on your left shoulder and try to stabilize yourself by pushing down into the ground and using your right hand also to push downwards. With that, you want to then try to pivot on your left foot whilst trying to go over with your right foot. You can practice going back and forth simply. Next up would be to lean onto your side whilst carrying the right foot in the air whilst you're pivoting. Next up will be to integrate the jump to complete the ipsilateral backrock. So as you see in the video here, we're going to lean onto our left side, push up with our hip and kick off from the right foot. One can start off by having a couple of practice attempts without even jumping into the position, but getting into it faster and faster with more momentum before trying the full thing. The contralateral backrock is basically the same thing, but we're landing on the other leg. In this one, it will help to have a bit more push off and get over your leg. The further down the left leg is, the easier it will be to pivot over it. You can from here on try to reverse the movement and come back into the supine position. This will help you practice your precision in the movement, but also how to generate momentum and keep the base stable. Last up would be to practice these side to side, simply shifting one's weight back and forth. With this, one can learn how to pace and time the movement as it suits oneself. What can help out in these is to stay high up on your back whilst you're transitioning from side to side, but also to try and find a momentary pause in the middle at start. Also take a note of here how I'm landing on the closest leg to set up my contralateral backrock on the other side. Finally, I included something here that can help one gain a bit more stability and control on one's shoulder. So first of all, we want to lean onto our side and press down to the ground with our shoulder and left hand. From here we want to get light on our feet and stack our hips. The first position can basically be a deloaded tuck. I'm using my elbow to stand on. From here I'm extending the lever towards the tuck. This will increase the pressure quite much. And from there on you can simply go to the straddle and later on even the pisa tower. In this drill I'm simply trying to gain time and be as comfortable as I can. I would maybe propose to gain at least 15 to 20 seconds in each position before moving further.